Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, a few months back, we bottled up some SG Platinum Merlots, and it was back in September 24 to be precise. I thought it was about time that we popped one open and had a taste. So, the Platinum Merlot kit's very easy to make. Literally takes only 7 days to brew them up. I tend to make them last. Tend to make them last a little bit longer. I've just seen there's a little bit of cork in there. Let's pull that out of the way. During the fermentation, I tend not to make it quite so quickly. So I thought we'd have a taster of this one. It pours lovely, gorgeous, and dark red. Oh, I've got a little bit of cork there as well. Yay, let's get that rid of. That's gone. Very clear because we filtered this as well. Ooh, that's lovely. There's another little bit of cork on. I wish they would invent a non-corking corkscrew that meant you didn't get cork in the bottom of your... Anyway, doesn't matter. So lots of lovely fruity berry sorts of aromas coming out from this Merlot. Possibly a bit of blackberry, a bit of blackcurrant, something like that. Perhaps even a bit of juicy plum. Let's go for it. It's got a nice dryness to it, not overly dry. I'm going to say this is probably medium bodied. And most Merlots you probably find out to be medium to full bodied. I'm definitely sticking on the medium bodied with this one. It's got a nice zing. It's got a good load of acidity. It's making the mouth water around the back of the tongue, going down nicely. Quite easy drinking. The tannins in it are quite gentle, I would say, and that makes it a very easy drinking Merlot. And probably could do with, I know it's a 7-day kit, and they say the 7-day kits are ready to drink within, well, as soon as they've been cleared and put in the bottle. You're meant to be able to drink them straight away. I like to leave them for at least a month. This has been in there since September, so it's now December. So September, October, November, December, so 3 months. I'm going to say I want to probably leave this an extra 3 or so months before I pop open another bottle, just to let it smoothen out a little bit more. But apart from that, I think this is a really easy to make kit. It makes a good tasting wine. I think it will get better with age. But if you want a good kit that's going to brew up in 7 days and make a good tasting Merlot with lots of blackberry, plummy, and I want to say cassis, so blackcurrant flavours, it will be a really nice wine to make. So if you've made it, down in the comments below, let me know how you've got on, if you've made any changes to the recipe, or if you've got any questions and need a bit of help, then feel free to ask and I'll get back to you. But for now, cheers. I'm going to enjoy this glass of Merlot.